All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, basic JavaScript. Declare a read-only variable with the const keyword. All right. So the keyword let is not the only new way to declare variables. In ES6, we can also declare variables using the const keyword. All right. So const has all the awesome features that let has, with the added bonus that variables declared using const are read-only. They are a constant value, which means that once a variable is assigned with const, it cannot be reassigned. So if we do something like this, const favPet equals cats and favPet equals dogs, it's not going to do it because it's already cats and it will not change it to dogs. Let's show you right here. Let me bring this over, drop this down 2, all right? And let's do console.log favPet. Oh, well, you can already see down here. But let me show you, let me show you what the let does. So if we do let, and we say console.log dogs, console.log favPet, cat, all capital, come on. Come on. Pet. All right. You see it says dogs because it definitely replaces it. So let's take this out of here. Let's do a bunch of Control Z's to get all this out of here. And let's get back to over here. So the console will display an error. We already said that. All right. So we should always name variables we don't want to reassign using the const keyword. This helps when we accidentally attempt to reassign a variable that is meant to stay constant. Pardon me. So it is common for developers to use uppercase variable identifiers for immutable values and lowercase or camelCase for mutable values, objects, and arrays. I don't really know what immutable and mutable means. It's been so long since I've done this. You want to see some proof? Let me show you right here. Anyway, so we will learn more about objects, arrays, and immutable and mutable values in later challenges. Also in later challenges, we will see examples of uppercase, lowercase, or camelCase variable identifiers. Awesome. So we're going to change the code so that all variables are declared using let or const. We'll use let when we want to use the variable, we will use let when we want the variable to change, and const when we want the variable to remain constant. Also, we'll rename variables declared with const to conform to common practices. We will not change the strings assigned to the variables. Okay, so we're just messing with the variables, the variable names themselves, right? So right here, this one's clearly going to be the const because we're changing the fact later. So let's come up here and turn this F into capital F, this lowercase f into capital F, and then let's change var into const, all right? And now we'll change this var into let so that it'll take care of business right here. And we'll get this FCC and we'll drop it off in this FCC, right? And FreeCodeCamp is awesome, looks good. Run the test and submit it. All right. Now we're on to add 2 numbers with JavaScript, and we'll see you next time.